So I am still waiting on the plates, steel plates for this the engine mounts here, and so I don't know. I've gone ahead and glassed in the stringers here. I've got mat, roving mat, 3 layers on either side. I got this drilled out from the other side. I was gonna go ahead and glass over the transom here too, but looks like we're running a little short on resin as well. Maybe waiting a little longer than I would like to get this all finished today. And I'm really not keen on letting this stuff dry overnight. I've been using these lamps. Today's around 40 degrees. These lamps can generally get things up to temp the way I need them to, on the surface anyways, but you are definitely fighting with the outside temperature of the hull. So Monday was like 14 degrees, and I opted not to bother with any glass work, which is I think definitely worth it. Tonight it's supposed to drop down into the 20s, so I'm a little bit apprehensive about laying up anything towards the later end of the day, because basically you're just fighting again with the outside temperature, and if this stuff doesn't kick off and harden up in 24 hours, it's simply not going to, and that is a waste of a lot of materials essentially. And it looks like we're already running kind of short on materials for this job as we go, so that would be some delay for sure. So what else? We wait, I guess, right? I'd really like to get these stringers put in today, at the very least. I guess we'll see how that goes.